Hi guys, so today I'm at Holy Ghost Terminal 1 where the CNG buses were launched a few weeks ago. And ever since the launch of this bus, people have asked questions like how do I get to use the bus? Is it for government workers alone? What does the interior look like? How do I get the card? And some people even ask, is it an upgraded Bawa? We all know that these buses were launched out of the deep care and commitment of the governor for Enugu. And today we are here to take you through the process of how the buses are operated, how to get your card and how to get registered and have an access to the bus. The buses are out from as early as 6:30 a.m. to convey people to their various destinations. But however, it is not like a regular bus that you just have to enter anyhow. This bus comes with a rechargeable card, and we are here today to show you a step-by-step process on how to get your card registered. Come with me. Hello, good morning. I'm here to get my card registered. Okay, can I transfer? So only cash is accepted. Is it something that is going to change at this time, or is it how it's going to be from?
Yeah, at the moment it's just cash. We're waiting for further any other changes, but for now we just cash.
Okay. How much can I use to top up my card?
Okay, depending on what you have, most can put is 10,000, the least you can put is 500.
Okay, so the most I can put is 10,000 naira, and the least I can put is 500.
The least transport is 300, so you have to put something higher.
So 300 is it like from where to where? So, am I registering with anything? Just my name or?
Okay, so you need your first name, your surname, and your email.
Okay, my first name, my surname. Okay.
Okay, we need 200.
Yes, I will.
Okay, we take a service code 50 naira, I'll take a service code 50.
And that has to be cash too. Okay. So that's a total of 1,050 naira.
Your phone number.
091 34 03 1006. Yeah. Chinego. Ukamule, UKA, MEULE. So guys, the process is very simple and seamless. All you have to do is make sure that you're coming in with your cash, because everything they do at the terminal is cash based. They don't do transfer or POS. It's just cash. And then there's a charge of 15 naira for bank charges. So like we had her say, the least amount you can use to recharge your card is 500, and the most amount you can use to recharge your card is 10,000 naira. So she's about to give me my card, and we are going to go for our first trip. Okay, so I've gotten my card, and we're about to go take a trip. So guys, I'm about to board the bus, and all you have to do to get access to this bus, after you've registered, this is and recharge your card. All you have to do is to tap here section of the bus. It's just very prominent. After that, you go into the bus and get a comfortable seat. So before we get into the bus, there's something very important that you should take note of, which is the code on every bus. So every bus comes with a code, and for this particular bus, there is a code on it, ENRBS 048. So what does this code help you to do? It helps you to locate the bus that you boarded. In the case of lost item, or maybe you forgot your bag in the bus that you entered, it is there for identification. So all you have to do is to go to the lost and found section of the terminal and lay your complaint. And with your registered card and identifying the code of the bus you entered, you're going to find your product or your lost item. So this is what the interior of the bus, of the CNG bus looks like. You can see that it is very spacious to accommodate a large number of people, and this is about 32 seats. So it's about a 32-seater bus, and the chairs are built for maximum comfort, and also like there is an armrest and there's ample leg room where for people like that have long legs, there's an ample leg room, and it is well lighted, and as you can see over there, there is a huge AC vent, meaning that there is proper and adequate ventilation. Okay, it's called Mini Let's Go, my first trip in the new CNG bus. So this was a very seamless and very stress-free, free-filled trip. The comfort, the professionalism from the drivers, it was an experience that everyone in Enugu should actually want to go for. So I want to know, would you be getting your CNG card or your card for your CNG bus after this video? Let me know in the comments.